Everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto meme project, and this meme project gives you a very big profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So as you can see, the website was open. Mellowman is the name of this project, and link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So first of all, you can see I am the coldest, childest and funniest one of the Mad Fury Boy Club collection. Welcome to the based world, and the name of this project was the Mellowman, and I will tell you about how you can buy it and the detail of this project. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So first of all, we can review the website and then I will tell you how you can purchase it. So first of all, we can scroll down and you can see a new king has risen, and the name of this king was Mellowman, and you can see the detail of this character was available, and it's also just like a meme coin, and you know that meme coin rise very fastly, and this project have potential to grow 10x faster than other meme coins. So be the member of this project and you can see multiple opportunity they will give you, and many more things you can get from this project. So must join it and you will get big reward, and also read the detail of this project and then be the member of this project. So we can scroll down more. You can see official Mellowman links was available, social media accounts, and the exchange which was available for this coin was showing on screen, like Dex Scanner, CoinGecko, and many more exchange having this coin means this coin was listing on this exchange, so you can easily go and then buy it. And I will also give you a big news, because this coin having a pre-sale opportunity for you. You can simply go and buy from pre-sale and get big reward in future. So must participate in it and be the member of this project. I will tell you how you can join the pre-sale. So simply we can go to the pre-sale option. The pre-sale was upcoming, just 4 hours was remaining and it will be start. So the method of joining this pre-sale is very simple. Simply you can connect your wallet, which one you have. Simply many wallet was available, simply you can connect it and be the member of this project and purchase from here from USD, and the detail was available. Unsold token was available, and minimum you can buy 100 USD and maximum buy 200 USDT, and these are very good opportunity for you. Starting low MC, fast track listing, and very good time for you to be the member of this project. And the most detail of this project was available. You can must read the soft cap, hard cap, each and everything was showing on screen, and the total supply of this project was available, you can see, and the symbol was MM. So must join it and be the member of this project. Listed on PancakeSwap, liquidity percent 51, and you can see many more details. So must read it and then join it. So simply if you want to purchase from PancakeSwap or swap it, so simply go to PancakeSwap and you can simply swap from here, and I will tell you about how you can swap it. You can see coin was available. Simply you can connect your wallet which one you have, and then you can simply swap from coin which one you have and buy coin. So it's a good time for you to be the member of this project, and after this pre-sale it's growing very fastly, so it's a good time for you. So must participate in it and be the member of this project. Now we can see many more detail about this project. As you can see, it's a meme project and meme detail was available. Tokenomics was also showing on screen. Contract address was available, you can see, and taxes was 3% on buying selling, and you can see contract recontract, and liquidity was totally locked. Totally supply was available. Buying method was showing on website. I will already tell you how you can buy it from pre-sale or from PancakeSwap. You can simply download MetaMask wallet and other wallet which one you have, and simply secure your assets in BNB and then swap it into coin and add in your wallet and get a profitable. So it's a very simple and easy method to purchase this, and the disclaimer was also showing on screen, so must read the detail. It's also listing on CoinMarketCap, CoinTool, CoinGecko. Simply you can go and visit it on here. So it's a very good time for you, so must participate in it and be the member of this project, and also join the social media community of this project. I will share with you the Twitter and Telegram community of this project. So friend, you can see the Twitter account of this project was showing on screen. Mellowman BNB was available, so must follow it for latest updates and news. It's a very good opportunity for you and be the member of this project to get a big reward. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project. Must join the social media account and the community of this project to get more profit, and also read the detail, and I will tell you how you can purchase it. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.